Quishy bee, oh quishy bee, can I pretty please, oh itty bitty, oh little titties, oh quishy bee, oh quishy bee, oh quishy bee, oh quishy bee, can I pretty please, oh pretty please, your itty bitty little titties, oh quishy bee. Thomas Holy has disabilities like BCFS and a hole in his chest and other disabilities like a frontal nasal nose and other things.